Make sure that you leave Sha'ban in the best of states, for Allah records the rewards that we will receive and the supererogatory actions that we will perform before Ramadan enters. He also records the evil deeds and wretchedness of those deprived of the blessings of Ramadan. What will be your state on the last Friday of Sha'ban and the night before it? Attend the gatherings at the end of this month with a heart focused on the All-Merciful. Prepare for the first night of Ramadan, for on this night Allah gazes at His creation, a particular gaze that is unique to this ummah. Allah will never punish the one upon whom He gazes. Look at how many gifts have been given to this ummah. When Ramadan enters, the gates of the garden are open, and the gates of the fire are shut. If someone who is destined for the fire dies during Ramadan, he will see that the gates of the fire are closed. The odor that comes forth from the mouth of the fasting person is sweeter in the sight of Allah than the scent of musk. Every night Allah decrees the safety of 6 lakhs people from the fire, in some narrations, 1 million. Then, on the last night, He decrees the safety of the same number of people that He decreed on every night of the month. He also decrees the safety of others during the day, particularly at sunrise and sunset. Not to mention what happens on Laylat al-Qadr. Allah make us amongst those who reach that night and attain all that it contains. Ask from Allah in the best of ways, because Allah does not accept a dua from a heedless heart. Likewise, a dua from a sound heart is more likely to be accepted than a dua from a fluent tongue. Sayyida Aisha asked Allah's Messenger, Allah bless him and give him peace, what she should ask for if she knew that it was Laylat al-Qadr. He replied, O Allah, truly you are all pardoning, you love to pardon, so pardon us. He also said, Allah bless him and give him peace. Do 4 things in abundance, 2 things with which you please your Lord, and 2 things you cannot do without. The 2 things that please your Lord are to testify that none is worthy of worship other than Allah and to seek His forgiveness. The 2 things you cannot do without are asking Allah for paradise and seeking refuge in Him from the fire. So say these things in abundance, for they are the best things for which you can use your tongue. Say them in your homes, in the streets, in the mosques, not just at iftar or after Taraweeh. Based on these 2 hadiths, the scholars and people of Tehran repeat the following dua throughout the month of Ramadan.
أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله، نستغفر الله، نسألك الجنة ونعوذ بك من النار. اللهم إنك عفو تحب العفو فأعف عني. يا كريم.
Allah give us the biggest portion of all goodness. Make Ramadan a cause of rectification and the removal of tribulations.